and what the impact it has done in your profession or in your life, and give some example that some of the persons that they have proved themselves by their skill.
Skills means you have a lot knowledge about any
Skill is just not a word. It is not a by birth. It is not a thing of getting by birth. You have to acquire it, and that is called skill. If you wanna be a very good public speaker, as for instance, I can say. So what do you have to do? You don't have to, if you don't have money, then you can't go to the seminars, you can't get the courses of public speaking and all. But if you have that much passionate, if you are that much passionate about learning how to speak in the stages and all, then you can watch the videos, you can practice with them of your own, you can go in front of the mirror, you can practice there, and day by day you can catch up the words, what to say, how to say, what are the starting I have to do. So all these things from your own effort, everything should be sorted out, and that gives you the progress day by day, and gives you a very good information. You shall be cognitive, your mindset get confidence and all, and these all are making you a very skillful person and very loyal person to your work, and that's called skill, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. So now you tell me what the impact it has done in your life. Do you have any skill? Do you have any skill? And what the skill you have, and what the impact it has done, it has made in your life, that your life is totally 360-degree changed. Do you have anything to say regarding this question?
Ma'am, what is the question, ma'am? Actually, I leave because of the internet issue.
Yeah, we are talking about skill.
Okay, ma'am.
So, Rupa, do you have that much this answer? Do you have any skill in the profession you are doing?
Yes, ma'am. I have only one skill, that I can talk people जिसको मैं नहीं जानती हूँ.
That means stranger. You can talk with the stranger also very, very easily. Is it so?
Yes.
Yeah. And you have another skill. You are just gaining it now. How to speak in English. This is also a skill. This is apart from your study. This is apart from your grades. Isn't it? What are the graduation you have done? What are the study you have done so far? It's not about all were not about the skill based. The things you are doing, being in the profession, that is called skill, and our session is also depend on a skill, and that is how to speak in English and how to be fluent in English. Am I right, Rupa?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And my next question is, how can you tell me some people who proved themselves that they have very skillful, they are loyal, and people know them in one word, in one click, and that they are Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Abdul Kalam Azad, then you can say Narendra Modi, then you can say this Bill Gates, Warren Buffett. They are the skillful person. They are skilled person. They have not taken the education from of what they are now from the schools and colleges. They have done it from of their own. They have made efforts, and then they proved that skill is a very good impact, and skill brings money. Money doesn't bring anything, fame. Skill gives you the fame, name, establishment, a luxurious life. What are the things? Not about the luxury, everything, whatever the things. Everything depends on your skill. If you are skillful, you can get everything that you deserve. And that skill makes your life, makes your journey of career or development of success half the battle. And that's called skill. Skill is just looks so small word, but it has a very good. It is a root. If you can go to its root, down the rabbit hole, in the rapid order, you will be progressing and progressing on. Okay. Did you get my point, dear?
Yes, ma'am, but half point.
Okay, so one thing is that whenever you talk something else, you talk every matters. Give your experience about the relating to the word, and not to say Shikha, one word you are talking most of the time, that is on like. So try to avoid this word more than once. Okay, dear. Yeah. It's but you are talking to nicely. Yeah, Rupa is also doing very great here, and discussion should be there, and in discussion, explanation, details, root, everything should be there. Okay, so that's all. That's all about the discussion topic you have done so far. So now I think Karan is having some network. That's why. Karan, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am.
So can it be possible for you to attend the discussion with Vinod?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
So do you have any choice that what discussion you should make? Vinod, do you have any choice?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What to say? I have some works, but I didn't get now. So classes. Okay, online shopping and offline shopping.
Actually, it was done, no?
Okay.
It was done, I think.
It was done, I know. Okay, it was done. Okay, no problem. You can talk now if it is so. Even now also you can talk. Online shopping and offline shopping. Give some examples. Why it is? Which do you like? Which sort of shopping you like and why? And give match your experience with it. Everything you just talk with Vinod. You are meeting, or another thing you can talk with that Vinod is your best friend, and both of you are very very busy in your works and schedules, and after a long time you met with each other. So what would be the discussion between the best two best friends of you? So that one should be the discussion topic. So if you are dazzled with the second topic, then you can go on, you can proceed on.
Okay, ma'am.
So which one you like to discuss?
I think first one we have to tell advantage and disadvantage.
Okay, Vinod, are you ready with that? Hello, Vinod.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please cooperate, Karan. And Rupa and Shikha, please listen to them, okay? Yeah, thank you.
Hey, hello, Harshit. How are you?
I am awesome, and Karan, and you?
Yeah, I am pretty good.
Okay.
So I have a
Yes.
question for you. So what do you mean
Okay.
by the online shopping? What is your first impression about the online shopping? Can you share it to me?
Yes. Online shopping is a process by which we can shop everything at our home, and we have lot of benefits through online shopping. Like first, we have more offers. Through we can get more offers through online shoppings, and we can easily compare the prices with other brands, with other applications, and we can check the other lot of varieties of the same particular thing. Through the online shopping, do nobody can do pushing extra product, because we are choosing which product we are choose, and they delivered only the same product, and we can say we can we can give our reviews through online shopping. Like if we are satisfied, then we can give 5-star rating. But if we are not satisfied through the online shopping, we can give only 1-star rating. Like these are some benefits of online shopping. And you, what do you think about online shopping?
Yeah. Yeah, like everyday shopping is a part of life, but some people receive what they need from shopping, while others get something more. But means like your understanding, I think it is considered as a technique to reveal attention, to fulfill a mental goal, or to give some favor to the mechanical way of life. Means shopping is one of the oldest expression of for discussing what we have all been doing for several years. Online shopping, something known e-shopping, is a type of e-commerce in which the customer use a web browser to buy products or services directly from a vendor via the internet. Other names for example, other names of online shopping are like e-shop, e-store, internet shop, web store, online store, or like a virtual store, and so on. Simply, it is any type of sale conducted through the internet. This is called online shopping. Yeah,
Yeah. Which is better in your ways, online shopping or offline shopping, and why?
I think offline shopping is better.